Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels like it has been a million years since I sat down to film a get ready with me and share some new products. So that is what I'm going to do today. It has been such a crazy summer. I feel like I've been home for barely half of it. I was away the last few days and I came home to a couple of PR packages from Laura Mercier, and I thought it would be the perfect time to unbox them, do a first impressions, and incorporate them with my other favorite Laura Mercier products from the summer in a get ready with me style video. So I have two boxes. I'm honestly not sure which one arrived first. They always send the nicest packages with the best stuff, so I'm always excited when I see their label. Ooh, oh man. Here is a cheek color brush, which I'll be using, and then here's the palette. It's all bubble wrapped. Ooh. So it says the Laura Mercier Ovarian Cancer Fund. Oh, this is really beautiful. It's like a pink rose gold. How stunning are these colors? So I pulled all of the makeup that I wanted to use today, and I did not include a blush, so this is actually perfect. I'm really excited to try it. That was it for that first box. Let's open up the second one. A few of my favorite influencers were actually on a trip with Laura Mercier in Paris last week. I was following along, and it looked like the most amazing trip ever. So there's a little bit of everything in this box. Card in here says extend your summer glow with Laura Mercier. This is a mask, which I won't be doing today since I'm doing my makeup, but that's good to know. I love the translucent glow setting powder. I still have a few open that I haven't finished, so I'm not gonna open that just yet. This is a highlight. Nice, like, subtle highlight. A little overwhelming because there's just a lot here. I haven't been wearing much makeup, like, at all, but the days that I do wear makeup, if I want something a little more full coverage, I'll use one of these. This is the Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation, and this is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. They're both excellent. It really depends on my mood and which one I want. I'm not gonna use these today because I do want to keep it light and dewy, so I'm gonna use their new tinted moisturizer, Illuminating Natural Skin Perfector. This is in the shade Natural Radiance, and I've been using this most days. I really love it. It gives you a decent amount of coverage with a flawless finish, and it's very light and creamy, and I love that. Any alternative to a daily foundation is really an A+ in my book. So I'm gonna try to incorporate some of the new products that just came in with some of my favorites from the summer. Most of them are Laura Mercier. Okay, so I brought my headband because I just find it so easy to do makeup with a headband. I actually got this headband from Primark this summer for, I wanna say, $1.50 or $2, and I wear it all the time. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, if you don't, I'm gonna put it right here. I recently filmed a video featuring all of the Pixi Vitamin C products. I've been using them consistently and really loving the way they make my skin look, feel, and the results that they've been providing. I have had just the most uneven skin tone this summer, and I'm really trying to brighten and even it out. I've committed to this line until I run out, so I've been very consistent morning and evening using these products. I already cleansed, toned, and serumed, but I didn't apply any moisturizer yet, so that's what I'm gonna do right now, using their vitamin C lotion. I love this lotion. It smells so good. It kind of smells like lemon bubblegum, which maybe that sounds gross to you, but it's really good. When I remember, I like to use a primer. It really just makes all the difference in the longevity of my makeup throughout the day, and I do have a longer day today. This is their Hydrating Foundation Primer. It's just so smooth, silky, and it feels a little thick, which I kind of like because the primer is supposed to prime the skin for makeup. Now, while this sets for a minute, I'm gonna explain what I'm doing with the tinted moisturizer. So no matter what I use on my face for coverage, whether it's a tinted moisturizer, a BB cream, a CC cream, a foundation, full or light coverage, I always use some kind of like self-tanning agent and mix it in. I just feel like it gives a smoother, more even, tanned, glowy application. Normally I use the Vita Liberata Body Blur. It is my all-time favorite, probably one of my top 3 favorite beauty products just in life. It's so good. It's also a little pricey, and the bottle that I have is on its very last leg. There's like maybe 1 or 2 applications left. So I started using the Loving Tan Bronze Shimmer Luminous Cream, which is a very similar effect, but it does have a hint of shimmer to it, but I still like it. It helps give me an even glow, and that's what I'm gonna use today. It's very dark, it's super rich, and it's really like putting a self-tanner on your face. I always do my neck too. And then to that, I will mix in the tinted moisturizer. I honestly don't use too much. A little does go a long way. So we're just gonna kind of dab it all around. And then I like to pat around my whole face and neck to distribute all of the product evenly, and then gently rub it in with my fingers. So we're gonna do one of these just so we get enough tan, enough moisturizer, kind of all over. You're literally gonna look like you rolled in the dirt, but I promise at the end it's gonna look great. So from here, you just rub it in. For any additional coverage, like these sun and acne spots that I need to cover, this melasma, I'll use a concealer and powder to finish the look. I've been using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. This one's in the shade 2W. I don't think it has an actual name. And then today I'm gonna use this one. It's a new one I just got in a previous package. It's in 1W, so it's a little lighter. I'm gonna use this one to highlight, just under my eyes, a little on my nose, between my brows, and on my chin. And then I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blender to blend that out. My nose looks so red. I definitely got quite a bit of color this summer. Tried to protect my skin, but sometimes you're just out so much. Now I'm going to take the lighter one. A little here, a little here. Down my nose here. Try to make it not super red. Okay, I think my skin looks pretty good in terms of coverage, but now I'm gonna go in and set it with a powder. So of course I wanna use the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. This one's my favorite. I also enjoy the glow, but that's not really what I'm feeling today. So we're just gonna stick with this one. Kind of get the excess off in the cap. Today I also want to try the Secret Blurring Powder for under eyes. I have not used this yet. It's a finely pressed powder that sets under eye makeup for lasting wear while blurring the look of fine lines, which girlfriend is starting to need products like this. It is just a little tiny pod, a very finely pressed powder. Ooh, I like this product a lot. It's very fine. Use my powder brush to sweep off any excess. That looks and feels really good. Wow, that under eye powder actually is magic. Holy cow, that's a keeper. For sure. Now we're gonna go into bronzer, which always my favorite part. This is funny to me because I saw this product at Primark recently. It's $3.50, it's falling apart, it has a hair tie on it, but it is their PS Bronze Glow Matte Bronzing Powder, and it is so good. For a product that is $3.50, you would think it'd be complete junk, but no. This is in the shade Sunrise, and I absolutely love it. And I've honestly been using it every single day. I like to put my bronzer on with this little Laura Mercier brush. I love the mini just because it fits in all my like travel bags. So take this, start around the forehead, and work my way around. So I'm home today trying to get all my laundry done. You can hear the washer in the back. It's so loud, I'm sorry. I'm leaving in a couple days for San Diego, so I'm trying to get all of our laundry done, sheets washed, towels washed. Just got back from a trip and trying to play catch up is really hard, but it's fun too. Can't complain. I think that's good for bronze. I think I'm gonna do the highlight and then finish with the blush. I'm gonna use this Matte Radiance Baked Powder that came in that second package. I'm gonna use one of their low powder brushes, kind of up here. Oh, is that a bad idea? That didn't work well. Nope, don't do that. Wow, this really does give a glow. Way more than I thought it would, so I kind of overdid it over here. I'm gonna apply a little more concealer down my nose to kind of give it a little contour and make it a little less red. And then I'm going to highlight it with this powder, because this powder is actually stunning. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it on my finger and go down. A little on my Cupid's bow. Now I want to use this gorgeous new palette with the Cheek Color brush. Their brushes are just the absolute best. They're so soft and fluffy. They apply so evenly. It's like such a treat to get all these brushes. I'm gonna combine Rose and Guava, just a little bit of each. To be honest, blush is like the hardest part for me to apply. So I had my eyebrows microbladed, which I've mentioned a few times, so I really don't have to do anything with them, but kind of brush them out. They are due for a trim soon, but other than that, I'm just gonna leave them as they are. And then I don't know what I want to do for eye makeup. I wanted to do some kind of an eye look. I did bring out a caviar stick. I think I'm just going to use a crayon liner, line my waterline, and then around my eye, smoke it out a little bit, and then use the caviar stick to give it a soft glow. And then I'm gonna do a bold lip. So then I'm going to take the caviar stick. This is in the shade Magnetic Pink. It's a beautiful one. I've used it a few times. Today I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. I think I did a whole video about this. I cannot remember for sure, but I'm pretty positive I did. I've been using this interchangeably with a couple other mascaras lately. The Damn Girl from Too Faced, which I love that mascara, and then the Maybelline Cat Eye, but today we're going to use this one. And I'm going to go back in and do a second coat. We're done with lashes, everything except lip. So today I thought it'd be fun to do a bold lip because I never do a bold lip, and I have so many Laura Mercier liners and lipsticks that I've yet to try. So I pulled one of their longwear lip liners. This one is called Rich Mauve, which looks way more fuchsia than mauve to me, but I do love myself a good mauve, so we'll see how that wears. And then I'm gonna pair it with Rose Vif, V-I-F, which is just a really gorgeous looking lipstick. So hopefully the combo wears well together. I'm gonna slightly overline my lips. Now we are going to take this lipstick. Whoa. For me, this whole look is made with the lip. Face is just very soft and simple. The eyes are really simple. I'm really loving that tinted moisturizer for summer. I think I'm definitely gonna be carrying that with me into the fall. This bold lip is super outside my comfort zone, but it's very beautiful. I'm gonna rock it today. And I never thought in a million years I would say this, but I think that the shining star product of this whole entire video was that under eye powder. I cannot believe how well it applied. It really did absorb into the skin, mattify the area, really brighten it up. Normally I'll bake that area with the Laura Mercier, either their under eye setting powder or their translucent powder, but I've never used that particular product. It is hands down the shining star of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found this interesting, useful, helpful. If you're interested in purchasing any of these Laura Mercier products, definitely a few winners in the bunch. I have to charge my camera back up because it's dying, and then I'm gonna film a manicure video. I can't believe I filmed this whole video with these nails. It's so disgusting. They're all chipped, peeling, broken, just a complete mess. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite Laura Mercier product is, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, before I forget to tell you that I haven't forgotten, a 10K giveaway is still coming. This channel is moving too fast for me to even keep up with it, but I do want to put together a really amazing giveaway because 10K is still such a milestone and I want to celebrate it and thank you in some way, shape, or form. So stay tuned for that. As always, guys, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.